They're like, who is this new person?
You guys saw where the corn went? Come on, really?
Oh my gosh, how cute I can. Look at those little ones. Their ears like perfectly outlined.
And adorable.
How
You
adorable.
guys are so cute. Here, let me get some more and you keep taping them. Oh my, what's the matter? You guys know you get food? You saw it.
Well, I'm the new person here, that's why.
Yeah, babies. Really? You shouldn't go right up to the food. Well,
I'm telling you, it's because they see me.
yeah. Somebody will be brave enough. Come on. Your little bellies will talk to you. Yeah, we're getting hungry. More important to eat. You're the bravest one. Aw, hi baby.
Oh,
I love hearing them crunch.
for real.
They're the cutest.
Mama is just so cautious, look.
Yeah, and it depends. There's some mamas that are braver and the kids aren't, and this set, the kids are brave and the mom's not so brave. They're like, okay, we're eating. Sorry, Mom.
Wait.
Mama's gonna scare you, huh? It's not us. We haven't moved.